causes mold to grow at remarkable rates.
Yeah, this is the time, as Fox Show's Derek James reports, it can quickly damage your home and your health.
Whether it's a bad crawl space, a poorly ventilated bathroom, or a leak, if you have water damage that goes untreated,
within 24 to 48 hours, you got a little surprise on your hands. Maybe a big surprise.
David Snell of Executive Restoration gets a lot of calls in spring when people notice a musty smell in their home or aren't feeling well.
Sneezing, being nauseated, headaches, watery eyes.
David starts with the air quality inside and outside the home.
The inside spore count, if it's higher than the outside, we've got some serious concerns.
Mold is growing behind your walls. It can be very hard to find, often impossible without the right equipment. David uses an infrared camera to find moisture inside the walls.
You might have a gutter issue there.
The source of a mold problem is often outside. David recommends using a downspout gutter extension. But are you safer if your house is newer?
It really doesn't matter the age of your home. We can all have water damage issues.
The key is to fully remove the damage quickly, because if you don't,
your problem will continually come back.
Derek James, Fox News.